Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the iQOO 7 Moneter Orange Edition. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Let's open the box. First, you can see this black lid with Monster inside tag. Inside the lid, we have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick start guide and important information, and a warranty card which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Here we have iQOO 7 Moneter Orange Edition premium looking phone. The phone has a 48 megapixel OIS triple camera setup at the back with iQOO branding below the camera module. The phone looks stunning in this monster orange color. Now we have a silicone back cover which is going to protect your phone. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger with 66 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the iQOO 7 Moneter Orange Edition box. Thank you so much for watching this video.